Good morning, my dear students. Hearty welcome to Sai Vikas. This is our first interaction. You are attending the online classes from April. So, here, how many of you want to become doctors? I think many. Do you know how many MBBS seats are there in India? 82,926 MBBS seats are there, which include 1205 AIIMS and 200 JIPMA seats. For these seats, 40,37,000 students appeared in NEET 2020. Many students might be thinking that competition is very tough. It's tough, but not impossible. Sai Vikas will help you to achieve your target easily if you are sincere and determined. But if you want to achieve your goal, you should follow a clear-cut strategy. In this presentation, I will help you to how to plan your strategy. First important thing is you must set your goal. A person without a goal is a person without soul. If you see, if you call for Ola cab, it will ask you immediately, what's your destination? If you don't know your destination, it will reject. So, my dear students, you must have the specific goal. Here, your goal must be SMART. SMART means not looking nice. SMART. S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for realistic, T stands for time bound. Specific. What is specific goal? I want to give an example. A girl prayed God. God satisfied with her prayers and asked, what do you want? Girl said that I want to show a lot of jewelry to the people. Then God said, okay. She became a sales girl in a jewelry shop. What's the mistake she done? There is no specificity here. Actually, her interest was she want to become a rich lady with lot of jewelry. But as there is no specificity in her goal, she ended up as a sales girl. So, my dear students, you must have a specific goal. That is, whether you want to get the MBBS seat in AIIMS or whether in JIPMER or AFMC or in our state itself, and how much percentage you should secure in class 12. That goal should be the specific goal. Then the second point is the M. M means measurable. You must break your goal into small goals. These small goals are easily achievable. Here you will have an advantage. You can check whether your efforts are good enough to achieve your big goal or not. And moreover, when you achieve the small goals, you will get the motivation to achieve big. And third one is achievable. Your goal should be achievable according to your ability. If you think that I should earn 100 crores in one day, is it possible? So plan achievable goals only. Next, realistic. You must be practical in setting your goal. If you think, I should become America president, is it possible? Be realistic. Then time bound. You must have the specific time limit to achieve your goal. If there is no time limit, you will be casual and you will not be able to achieve your goal at all. So, my dear students, set your goal. That's very important. Here, everything is possible. If you see this year's NET result, two students secured 720 out of 720. It doesn't happen in a single day. They worked very hard. So, now the important thing is the implementation strategy. This is the second important thing. You may plan, but if it is not followed by good implementation, then it's waste. Here, you must read NCERT books thoroughly. Here, you should prepare a specific timetable and you must cover all the subjects. Most of BPC students, that is biology, physics, chemistry students who are aiming for NET, they fear about physics numericals. If you are not doing physics numericals, you will not be able to achieve your MBBS seat. Physics numericals, physics and chemistry numericals are the turning point. So, you should not avoid those numericals. You must practice. So, the third point comes practice. You read NCERT books thoroughly. Here, you should prepare memory cards. Memory cards consist of important formula or important derivations or reaction mechanisms or any other important point which you want to revise repeatedly. From the first year itself, you should prepare this systematically and practice. For a medical student, practice is the most important thing. I think you know Virat Kohli or Messi. They are legends, but such legends also cannot do well if they don't practice. And while you are practicing, you first cover NCERT books thoroughly, then go for any reference book. Here, don't go for so many books. Whatever your teachers say, stick to that only. And then, analysis. You should analyze yourself. Mistakes, what you are committing. You should prepare a mistakes table in an error book. This mistake table should have 3 columns. Conceptually wrong, formula wrong, silly mistakes. You must practice repeatedly to avoid these mistakes because in NET paper, more than 90% questions are repetitive. If you are able to avoid your mistakes, definitely your score will be more than 600. Then next point is perseverance. Sometimes you may work hard, but the result may not be good. Don't get disappointed with that. Here I want to give example of Amitabh Bachchan, Big B. He started his career with South Hindustani. His 12 films failed. He tasted the success with Genji. After that, he became angry young man, superstar. Then, coolie accident occurred. He suffered from mastia graviasis. Everyone thought that he's over, but he fought back. After that, he started Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited, which went bankrupt. He was penniless. Again, he fought back, and now, at this age also, he is having more number of films and more advertisements than any young hero. So, my dear students, ups and downs in life are common. Don't worry about those things. You focus towards your goal. The next point is time management. Here, time is very important point. It's such a commodity which you cannot get it back by spending crores of rupees also. So, you must utilize time your wisely. Here, you must sacrifice your mobiles, friends in these 2 years. Because for most of the students, these two are the main hurdles in achieving their success. Then, last but not the least, self-belief. Always you must believe that I can, I will achieve. Here I want to give one example. Arunima Sinha. She was national volleyball player. She was traveling on a train to attend an interview. At that time, some thieves entered into her coach and they tried to rob her. When she resisted, she thrown away out of the train. She fell on the other track. Train coming from opposite direction went over her. She suffered multiple fractures and one leg was removed. Normally people think that that's the end of life. But she thought differently. With the help of artificial leg, she conquered Mount Everest. Not only that, she scaled all top peaks in all continents.
आज मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सपना पूरा हुआ। मैं टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पे हूँ। सबको ये मोटिवेशन देना चाहती हूँ कि हर आदमी अगर अपने लक्ष्य को बनाए तो वो कभी नहीं हार माने।
So my dear students, be determined, be a